On the spot news media, we got the latest news. We don't care about the views, we just representing right. Put local news internationally every night. On the spot, wave that Jamaican flag from left to right. Let's get it right, y'all know the type. We ain't dealing with the hype, we make it take flight.
Yeah man, my viewers and subscribers, what one. A blessed and wonderful Wednesday evening to each and every person out there tuning into On The Spot News Media. Now, my peeps, we're going to get into some stories in the evening, yeah. And boy, may I tell you, my peeps, the thing no look good. Now, we're going to kick it off with the update from this morning's set of stories when I gave the breaking news about the knockings and clappings that took place along Shood Road, where it is alleged that 10 people get caught up and 1 female fatally so. Now, the deceased female has only been identified as her alias, Kim. We don't get a photograph here as yet. Now, it is understood that patrons were gathered at this bar presently on your screen, a well-known drinking spot, when masked men entered the establishment just before 10 p.m. and opened gunfire. Several people were reportedly seriously conned up, and as I stated, the female known as Kim lost her life in that incident. Now, according to community members, screams and explosions sounding like Kana beat could be heard coming from the bar. Now, the bizarre thing about this picture, let me zoom at the phone so I can see it a little bit better. Porky's Bar. A rather odd name given to a bar. It's not a jerk spot where sell jerk pork, or we could have said, yeah, them could have called it Porky. So I'm pretty sure that the regular ones and ones them who have been tuning in to On The Spot News Media for a mighty long time would have watched a vlog that have featured a very controversial figure bearing the said name from Grandspin. I wonder, but anyway, you will be updated. Now over there in the neighboring community to Grandspin, the uptown prestigious, less volatile community of Arcadia, a prestigious spot, you don't know, say Adesso, KD Knight live, and also the former Minister of National Security, the man that is best known for saying these words, I cannot recall. We are talking about Dwight Nelson. So you know, say, a top of the top era we are talking about. Now, knockings and clappings go on over Earl's Court last night, just before 10 p.m. Video footage of the incident was posted on my Instagram, that's On The Spot News Media 876 on Instagram, so you can go watch it over there. So, because certain aspects of it I will show here, but certain parts I don't know on YouTube friendly. Now, it is said that sometime after 10 p.m., criminal elements traveling in a Toyota Axio motor vehicle accosted a security guard outside one of the complexes. Now, can start beat, whole heap of can start beat, and it is said that one of the security officer get grazed by the man. Now, knockings and clappings ensued between police and the criminal elements. Now, it is said that the criminal elements subsequently escaped in the area on foot. Now, the police find the car where the criminal them did dinner. But because the police them a blaze can pan them, man couldn't get fame to the car. Man have to just start take away himself and try to save him life. Because there's a difference, you know, when you are the hunter versus being the hunted. When you are a criminal versus being an agent, police or soldier that is employed to the state. Now, it is said that police, JDF personnel, and also armed security guards from King Alarm recovered the vehicle. The vehicle was searched by the police, and police paraphernalia was found in the car. So on your screen is what appears to be police clothing. And also this 9mm pistol was recovered from that motor vehicle. So I just hope the uptowners them who feel say we are going at the garrison now go affect them or nah affect them or will never affect them. We know for sure, say the uptowners, the private sector people them, if uno decide to get rid of certain things or certain people, it can be done easily because uno basically hold the blade for the knife. And if you don't draw on the hand, people get cut. Yeah, man. So it draw closer and closer to uno. The chicken has come to roost. So we are going to see if you don't feel like say it now, go affect uno too. And just sit there and do nothing. Because we know say the regular ones and ones them down at the garrison can't really do nothing. But uno, the elite, living in the hills and in these gated communities, can definitely tug and twist on the arm of the government and get certain things done. Yeah, man. Now I'm going to play a little small clip of the video for you hear the security officer hear exactly what him say before all hell broke loose. Listen. Now, as I stated, a certain scene from the video is definitely not YouTube friendly. So if you need to watch the full thing, go over there on my page on Instagram and watch it there. Now we are going to talk about another rather unfortunate incident where it left media personalities really grieving right now as one of their own was brutally and fatally cut down in a hail of bullets by criminal elements. Now, this knockings and clappings took place in the Kingston Western Police Division sometime around 10:53 p.m. along Collie Smith Drive in Trenchtown. The deceased is presently on your screen identified as Job Nelson, said to be a sports commentator for RJR and the Gleaner. Now on your screen is a small footage of the actual crime scene. Now information reaching on the Spot News Media is that police personnel were on mobile patrol in the area when they received information from Police Emergency Control of a motor vehicle accident along Collie Smith Drive. Upon the arrival of the police, a white Honda Arcadia motor vehicle was seen with a whole heap of red substance all over the driver's seat and the driver's door and also on the sidewalk. It is said that the police were informed that a man was injured and taken to the Kingston Public Hospital by concerned citizens. Inquiries were made to the Kingston Public Hospital that revealed that the injured man received some whole heap of corner wounds to his upper body and he lost his life whilst undergoing treatment sometime around 11:30 p.m. But it's rather strange because it is said that the man was attacked after he stopped at the stoplight along Spanish Town Road in the vicinity of the St. Andrew Technical High School. Now that's a far stretch away from Collie Smith Drive. So let's just say him get caught up and decides him to drive himself to the hospital. How the car end up on Collie Smith Drive? And Kingston Public Hospital would be straight along Spanish Town Road and then make a left on North Street for reach a Kingston Public Hospital. How would he end up on Collie Smith Drive? Well, that's a question that the investigators need to answer. But we do offer our most sincere condolences to the bereaved families of Job Nelson, age 53, of a New Harbour village address in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. Really, really sad, me I tell my peeps. As always, the thing rough. Now we are going to talk about this missing person here, presently on your screen. Not the regular missing person report where we just talk to them missing and then we give a number just in case you don't see them type of missing report. Now missing is Andre Allen, otherwise known as Andre. Some people call him Dre and some people call him Spunky. He was last seen on Saturday, May 18th. If you have any information surrounding the whereabouts of Andre Allen, please contact the nearest police station, police emergency number 119, Crime Stop at 311 NIB, that's the National Intelligence Bureau, at 811 or 876 915 5594. Now the thing about this man being missing is really worrying. Let me give you a little rundown on who really is Andre Allen. He rides a motorcycle for a living. He's a bearer. Real hard-working youth, real trying youth. Some time ago, he met into a serious motor vehicle accident whilst riding a bike where he suffered some serious injuries to one of his legs. Not sure if it's the right or the left, but one of his legs was seriously injured. He never gave up because he had a bad leg. He continued to hustle, do him thing, buy another bike. That bike was stolen from him by criminal elements in Crossroads. The young man was distraught, and rightfully so. But he was encouraged by loved ones to continue trying, which he did. He got a little bit of assistance here and there. He continued to do him like a hustling whilst experiencing issues with his foot. But he never gave up. And he managed to buy a brand new bike this time. Now he lives in the community known as Burger Gully in the Kingston Eastern Police Division. For those who have been tuning into On The Spot News Media for a while would have heard me speak about issues in the violence-prone, crime-riddled Burger Gully community in the East Kingston Police Division. So he lived in that particular area. It is said that he was being extorted by criminal elements down there. As him riding more time, man them want to take off a thing off of him. And more time them even want to force him to deal with certain things for them. And of course, being a hard-working youth, I try to walk the straight and narrow. Him try him best to not get caught up in a them dirty lifestyle. Now he went missing on Saturday. And immediately after he went missing, his house was emptied. I mean, bed gone, refrigerator, television, dresser, chest drawer, you name it, the criminal elements, them come take it. Even the brand new bike that he bought, which he used to do his like a bearer work, is now missing. Now that just leave me to point fingers in one direction and one direction only. The criminal elements, them take him away. Hence the reason why them got empty house of everything and also stole his bike. Now I just hope that the Kingston Eastern Police is listening to everything that I'm saying and do the necessaries and seek to find the criminal elements who did this to the young man. I'm still being hopeful that Andre Allen is still alive somewhere. But given the nature of how he disappeared and what took place immediately after, boy, may I tell you, it's just a small bit of hope. May sound away, but are the truth, the harsh realities of our present day Jamaica. And I'm just wondering when the regular ones and ones them out there I go wake up from them fantasy world thinking that it will never come and knock on their doors because they're not involved. They're not doing anything wrong. So they are safe type of situation. Look at Andre Allen. He's now missing. Is he a wrongdoer? No. Is he a corner boy? No. Him involved in anything? No. But guess what? He's still missing. We need to take these things very, very serious and start to assist the police in ridding our communities of these criminal elements. Yeah, man. Now the last thing that we are going to talk about is 2 wanted criminal elements. Now on your screen is Glendon Amos, aka Bull, said to be from the community of Linstead in the St. Catherine North Police Division. Now this man was named wanted by Superintendent Hopton Nicholson, the man in charge of the St. Catherine North Police Division. He also made mention that anyone caught harboring this criminal element will also face prosecution. So yarn him, I go end up probably I share the same cell. Yeah, man. Now the last wanted man presently on your screen has since been identified as Martin Williams, said to be wanted by the Westmoreland Police for fraudulent conversion. So anyone knowing the whereabouts of Martin Williams, or if Martin Williams is listening to the voice of On The Spot News Media right now, the Westmoreland Police want you. Yeah, man. So anyway, my peeps, remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned to On The Spot News Media as I continue to bring you fresh news and updates in subsequent newscast. On The Spot News Media. Yeah, man.